Hi everyone, on the menu today is tomato and mozzarella salad made with Johnsonville apple chicken sausage.
The great taste from Kris's kitchen, brought to you by the great taste of Johnsonville sausage.
When you need a zingy, colorful salad to go along with your favorite fish dish, or you're just craving a great salad as a main course, today's recipe is just perfect. So why don't I show you how easy it is to put this tomato and mozzarella salad together. Okay, to start this recipe, I have a Johnsonville chicken sausage that is 50% the fat, and it's made with real apples. And I'm gonna start my oil, and I'm gonna save this for the dressing that we're gonna drizzle over the top. Okay, so I've got my chicken sausage, and this is how you're gonna wanna cut it. You wanna have it kind of going on an angle, just like so. Okay, so we have our oil going. Let's add our sausage. Now that we got that going, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this salad dressing. Some balsamic vinegar, and then use the rest of your oil, whisk them together. Now I bring out my plate. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a tomato and lay them down, and then take your cheese and lay that over the top. And then you take a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, now that we've got the sausage done, just gonna put a paper towel out here and put them on that. So I'm gonna just take these and I'm gonna lay one on each one. Take my basil leaves, drape them over the top. Then you're gonna take your dressing and just drizzle it over the top of each one. Wow, with the flavor of amazing Johnsonville apple chicken sausage, I think you'll agree. This just may be one of the best salads you've ever had. That's tomato and mozzarella salad, and thanks for joining me today in my kitchen.